Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to show you engine problem, how I did fix it. Volvo XC90 engine has no power. The engine is a diesel twin turbo. There is no power. So I found the problem and I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Okay? I changed the hose, but the hose not easy to reach, but you will see in the video. Please consider pushing the like button, yeah? Thank you very much. Look to the hose. Can you see the hose? There's a hole in the hose. You see? Yeah, but I am going to show you how I took off the hose. It's not easy. The pressure coming from the turbos to through this hose to the intake cooler. I am going to speed up the video for 5 seconds, okay? Speeding up the video for 5 seconds. I am taking off the cover, 2 bolts on the side this wheel and 2 bolts on the side another wheel, and all the screw under the cover you saw before to see the hose. But this hose is really it's very hard to reach. You will see. Keep watching. This is the hose. Can you see it? Yeah, but it's really very hard to go out. I'm taking it off now, but do you know where this hose can go out from? Because there's no room in the front next to the cross member, in the front and the back, on the top. There's no room, but I found a way to pull this hose out. You will see. Keep watching. 10 minutes and I am trying to pull the hose from underneath the car. Doesn't work. See where I pull it out. I pull it out the only way from the top next to the fan. Yeah, and it was very, very hard too. You see the hose? There's a big hole in the hose. I show you the new one and after put the new one on. Okay? If you enjoyed watching this video, I really appreciate a like. Thank you very much. This noise is not from this car. This car engine is not running, but the car next to me has engine running. Okay? So this engine is not running now. Thanks for watching. Have a good, beautiful day. Thanks for the like and thanks for watching the video.